Formel 1, also fragen wir um wieder Torwart. Da geht sehr nachdenklich dort unten, ich dachte, schon Zielgerade, der Bleibt Dritter mit 35 Zählern, aber Johanesi hat aufgeholt, hat 34 Punkte und 30.
Yeah, it was working well today. I was a little bit worried because we banged wheel with Heinz into the first braking. I think he had someone on his outside also. And I thought that I had bent something because it hit pretty hard, but then the car was running fine, except for the two McLarens were flying. I mean, they had more fuel than us, and they were really, really fast on this track. So if they hadn't blown up, there's no way we could have beaten them.
Honestly, no. You know, after my second stop, I saw on the pit board P2, and I didn't believe it because before to stop I was 8. And really, when you start in this position, and especially I had all the Bridgestone car on the front, and it was absolutely impossible to overtake. I really want to thank everybody to give me the reliability in the car to finish in this position.
Well, not really. I mean, we banged wheels together at the start. It was pretty tight, and I knocked with my ankle. I knocked the ignition off and everything off, and I was surprised what happened then. Until I realized that the ignition was switched off, I was already 14th or 15th. So it was pretty disappointing at that stage. I mean, I had many guys in front of us, and we were fighting for every tenth. And it was very difficult to overtake them. Step by step, it was running fine. It was a good maneuver with Gerhard Berger. We were trying to go into the pits, and then Berger changed his plan, went into the pits and well, and then we stayed out. And I think that was the reason I managed to overtake Gerhard. Otherwise, it would have been very difficult.
The